Hello children, welcome again to PNMRC e-learning classes. This is your subject teacher Rashmi Barot ma'am, and we'll start with our next chapter, chapter number 3, Games We Play. Unit 1, Family and Friends. Children, I want to ask you one question. How do you like to spend your free time? Children, in the starting, the chapter is asking you this question. Now, you write down your 3 favorite activities you like the most, or what activities you do to make yourself relax. Lines are given there. Mention 3 activities that help you to relax. Okay children, now let's start with the chapter. Most people like to relax after spending several hours at work or at school. People follow different activities like watching television, exercising in the gymnasium, playing games, and spending time on hobbies like reading, gardening, listening to music, etc. Children, we work continuously and after some times we need to relax. The people who are working day and night likes to relax. Children, you go to school daily, but after some days you feel tired both physically and mentally. So you want to relax at home for a couple of days. Now the question is how we relax. Yes children, there are many activities from which we can relax ourselves. For example, listening music, playing indoor or outdoor games, watching TV, doing exercises. All such activities helps us to relax our body and mind. Now children, let's move to our next topic, and that is television. These days, television channels provide a variety of programs. Hence, many people spend a lot of time watching television. Nowadays, children, television is a main source for our entertainment. Variety of programs we watch on TV. Many people and children spend lots of time by sitting in front of television and watching their favorite programs. Families enjoy watching television together. There are many interesting programs about nature, science, and entertainment that they can enjoy together. Sometimes our parents and elders may tell us not to watch programs which they feel are not suitable for us. So children, the paragraph says that we enjoy watching television with our family members, right? I hope you all must be watching television at your home with your family. Many interesting programs we like to see on nature, on science, entertainment. Many serials we like to watch. We also like to watch Discovery Channel, News Channel, etc. But children, there are some programs which are not suitable to watch, especially for you all. And even our parents and elders do not allow to watch such programs. Watching television for long hours can be harmful for us. It is believed that television viewing for long hours every day can make us lazy and dull. It may hamper our studies and also cause harm to our eyesight. We should therefore limit our television viewing as much as possible. Children, sitting in front of the television for long hours can damage your eyesight. It can affect your studies also, and not only that, sitting and watching television for long hours can even make your mind dull and lazy. So you can enjoy your program on television, but not by sitting for a long hours, but when you are free or you feel tired, just to freshen up your body and mind, or just to relax, you can watch television. Now children, there is an activity given on page number 21. Imagine that you have your own television channel. Make a list of 4 or 5 programs that you would like to show on your channel, which can be enjoyed by the entire family. Now what you have to do, make one television channel. Now make a list of 4 or 5 programs that you want to show on your channel, which you have made, and that programs which you made can be enjoyed by the entire family. Now our next topic is about games and sports. Playing games is a healthy way to relax and spend our free time. We play both outdoor games such as football and cricket and indoor games like carom and chess. We also make friends and learn to work together through games. So children, when we want to relax or want to spend our free time, we prefer playing games, and it is also beneficial for our health also. We like to play both indoor and outdoor games. Indoor games we like to play are chess, carom, and outdoor games we like to play cricket, football, etc. While participating in competitive sports such as cricket, hockey and tennis, playing fairly is more important than simply winning. Children, in this paragraph it says that when we play all such games, there should be sportsmanship within us. We should play fair games and there should be teamwork between us. Okay children, moving to our next paragraph. Individual games are those which we may play by ourselves or against another person, such as golf, tennis or squash. Children, there are 2 types of games we play, individual and with team. Individual, or we can say playing games ourselves, are golf, tennis and squash. Only one person has to play in this type of games. Games that we play in groups are called team games. Games which we play by making the team is called team games. Okay children, again there is a question for you. You can name any 2 games which you play in a team. Each game has to be played according to certain rules. In competitive sports, people called umpires and referees solve disputes between teams and make sure the teams are playing fair. So in this paragraph, they try to explain us how we should play our games. When there is a match, we always see umpire or referee who is controlling the team. Why children? Because when there is a competitive match, there is possibility that fight occurs between the 2 teams. So to solve this type of situation, referee or umpire are present in the team during the match. Okay children, now here I am completing the first part of chapter number 3, and I will meet you in the next video. Up till then, thank you children. Stay safe.